Chamomile is one of the most important medicinal and aromatic plants in Egypt. Farmers grow chamomile both for export and for local markets, as it allows them to earn good money from a small piece of land. Chamomile is used as a herbal tea or an ingredient in various cosmetic products. Before chamomile can be processed into different products, it needs to be properly prepared so that the product will meet quality standards and international market requirements. This process can be done and is done by individual farmers, small and medium traders, as well as cooperatives and small companies, as we see here. Immediately after the chamomile is harvested, it's loosely packed into cardboard boxes so that the flowers are not crushed. Before sieving the raw material, you need to sample it. The raw material needs to be free of any undesired odors, pesticide residues, and foreign materials.
بنستلم العينة من الخام من بداية ما العربية بتيجي.
We receive the raw material and take a sample of 10% of the total load. We mix it well and divide it into 3. I send the first sample for pesticide residue analysis, the second one for microbiological analysis. The third stays here with me for quality inspection. For the quality inspection sample, I use sieves to determine the percentage of powder, petals, seeds, flowers and stems. Then I take another sample to determine its purity or the percentage of foreign material in it. I weigh the sample, let's say 100 grams, and start selecting the foreign matter. We weigh the foreign matter and calculate the percentage in the whole load. So if it's 0.6 grams, then the quality of this is 99.4% pure.
When the raw material has passed the laboratory and quality tests, you can start preparing the chamomile. The preparation consists of separating different sizes of flowers and loose parts, as they all have different uses and fetch different prices at the market. Let us take a close look at how to separate the chamomile using different sizes of sieve. With a very coarse sieve, you can easily separate the chamomile flowers from the stems. The stems will be ground, but before doing that, remove by hand all foreign materials such as grass, leaves, or plastics. We separate the flowers into 2 grades using sieve number 5. The best quality, or first grade flower, has most of its petals intact, and its stem is between 0.5 and 1 centimeter long. First grade flowers will not pass through a sieve number 5. What goes through is a mixture of second grade flowers, petals, pollen, and seeds. The first grade flowers will be separated from stones and other foreign matters using sieve number 2.5. Hold it at an angle while lifting it up and down. This is called gravity sifting. This is done at every stage with the different sized sieves to separate foreign material from the product. When packing the first grade flowers into boxes, clean them further. Place a layer of flowers at the bottom of the box and inspect them for any impurities. Put a cardboard separator before adding the second layer. Inspect these. After finishing the second layer, remove the separator and use it for the next layer until the box is filled. For each new layer added, inspect and manually pick out any impurities. The second grade flowers are smaller and have no petals or just a few. Separate the flowers from the loose petals, pollen, and seeds using sieve number 2.5. At the same time, stones and other foreign matters are removed by gravity sifting. The mixed petals, seeds, and pollen also have to be divided. We start with sieve 14 to remove the petals, followed by gravity sifting using sieve 20 to remove the small parts of the stems remaining around the petals. Once this is done, the petals will all be clean. To separate the pollen from the seeds, use sieve number 40. We again use sieve 40 to separate foreign matter from the pollen by gravity sifting. Finally, separate the seeds from fine sand using sieve number 60. Now we have 6 products: flowers grade 1 and grade 2, pollen, seeds, petals, and stems. Each of these products has a different use. The flowers are packed in cardboard boxes to avoid rubbing them. Let's review what we have learned. After receiving the chamomile flowers from the field, carry out the quality control. Use different sieves to separate each product, starting with the sieve with the largest mesh. First, remove the best flowers, the first grade, and then the second grade of flowers. Remove all stones or other foreign matter. Separate the pollen, seeds, petals, and stems. Each of these can be sold, but they fetch different prices. If all these steps are taken, you will have a high-quality, pure product that will comply with market demands and fetch a higher price for each product.